We're here today to talk about how to respond to a changing lending environment. My name is Brenda, and I'm going to be our narrator. Today we're going to demonstrate our system known as AFS Vision. Now, our system is a core loan accounting system, and you may wonder, well, how does that belong in a fintech conference? But we believe our technology is the foundation upon which banks can leverage and create efficiencies. We're going to talk about three major concepts today. The first is that AFS Vision can help improve time to market for things like new products. That the system is also able to reduce technology spend by being able to configure as opposed to customize the system for those new products. And thirdly, that it can connect with a bank's ecosystem and with other fintechs to be able to provide a seamless environment in exchanging information via APIs. In our scenario today, Derek is a loan product manager. And Derek believes he found a new niche product that if he can get it off the ground quickly, the bank will make a lot of money. And so he's a little concerned, however, that in prior endeavors like this, he's had to spend a lot of time and a lot of resources that he really doesn't have right now. So in our scenario, we are going to listen in between Derek and the technical Jerry, who's going to help them get the product off the ground very quickly. So let's listen in.
Great. Thank you, Brenda. Yeah, so this product I've identified is in the sustainable lending space. And I need to track some key performance indicators in that space, some metrics around the sustainable lending, because I also see the opportunity not just for my customers, but also to resell this to investors, to really do some reporting so that I can show profitability. But in the past, with our other core accounting engines, that has taken a long time to even add new fields to the system. And then the second thing that I need to be able to do is this has to be flowing freely through the bank's ecosystem, maybe from some of the folks that are in the audience today. And so this needs to be flowing through APIs. It needs to be coming in an automated fashion. Can't be sneakernet. Can't be walking over and rekeying this information in. So let me talk to my technical partner, Jerry, and see how we do that. So Jerry, you, along with everyone else in the room, has heard the issue that I've had in the past. So what do I need to do? Do I need to get a PMO started? Do I need to get a budget? What do I need to do to do this entire thing?
Well, you're right, Derek. In the past, that has been an effort. But now that we've adopted AFS Vision, creating new information in the system is very easy. I can walk through it with you right now. We can get you set up today.
Great.
So you can see here, we're right in the Welcome Center, the main landing page of AFS Vision. And we're going to go ahead into System Administration because you want to set up a new configuration.
Okay.
And you said you needed to create new fields. So we'll go into Head Fields Management, and we'll find the category for these.
Yeah, it's a customer level. I want to let's try CO2 emissions, actually, at the customer level.
Okay. So we got customer custom fields. We'll look that up. And we're going to add a new field. So I'm going to create a new custom field. And we're going to go ahead and give it a numeric identifier so the system can find it mechanically.
That's like a database thing, right? An internal identifier, yeah.
So you said you want to do CO2 percentage. So
Great.
We're going to give it a name and a label. So we can define what kind of data you want to capture.
So this isn't just dumb information. This isn't dumb fields that's being repurposed. You're actually creating this bespoke in the loan accounting system. I know that some places that have that, but in the core accounting areas, this is actually very different.
Right, you get all of the same configuration you pick any kind of data type and specifications you want, lengths, precisions, what have you. And determine where in the system we want to see it. So you said it's CO2 percentage, so we have a sustainable lending group already. Okay. And then you can decide where in the system you're going to see it and whether it's editable or just viewable in those contexts.
So I could actually say to my team, look, you're looking at this, you could reject it, but you can't edit it. So I can actually control it, whether it's editable and where in the application.
Right, so we're going to go ahead and click accept, and now you are all the way live.
That is incredible, given that's taken weeks, months, maybe years with other loan accounting systems. But the thing here is it also needs to come in automated. It needs to be flowing in through APIs to the bank's ecosystem. So that's great that it's in the system, but I don't want people to have to rekey it. So what do we do about that?
Okay, so you want to get that data from integrators and people that are coming into us from the outside.
Maybe some of the people in this room.
Yeah, so that's no problem. In AFS Vision, there's already a built-in suite of APIs that brings data into the application.
Okay.
So I can go ahead and flip over here to my Postman web service testing application.
Well, that looks like Greek to me. I can't read that, but you'll tell me how this works.
Right, so this is a sample data package that I've been using in other testing before.
Okay.
And we'll go ahead and set a custom field value. So we have set the ID for the field, And we're going to set a CO2 percentage of 3.2.
Okay.
And we're going to go ahead and hit send that up to the Vision system.
So this is going to create a work package. That's what we call our work in progress, right?
Right.
The things that are kind of in flight. And so if you were going out and taking a look at that work package.
Right. So you can see we got back a successful response. The information
Okay.
was created. So we'll go back to the Welcome Center and refresh this.
There it is.
We can open that up.
Great. So this, my team could actually be looking at this in their work in progress, go out, edit that entity, which is a customer in this case, and look at his fields, and there populated is his CO2 percentage. So I could literally launch this product today. I don't have any lead time. My time to market is greatly diminished. That's going to be great. So I think I will launch this product today. Thank you, Jerry.
Sounds good to me.
Great.
So let's review what we just saw between Derek and Jerry. We saw that Jerry was able to incorporate into the core loan accounting system those new fields that Derek needed to launch his product. And they were available immediately within the system. There was no programming, it was all real time. Further, Jerry was able to add those fields to APIs so that they could come in from an external system flowing into AFS Vision. Those fields appeared in the workflow so that someone could review that information and take it to its completion. So this ended up being a very important product for the bank, and Derek's off to find his next new opportunity.
Very profitable. Got a new electronic jet ski.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.